guys, I am back with another monthly Dina Wakley color chart art journal share. I said that when I got this white journal I was going to try to once a month start learning to play with different colors, and so I went through and I recently got a set of the original Scribble sticks for my birthday, which allowed me to have a few more colors in my palette. And today I'm going to play with another triadic group. These are 3 colors equally spaced from each other on the color wheel. They offer contrast, but not as much contrast as a complementary scheme. Now, as I note in my other videos, I'll put the links below. These papers are all provided by Dina Wakley on the Ranger website. She has a color wheel you can use with all of her colors, and then recommendations on different color palettes you can use. So today I'm going to play with blackberry, lime, tangerine, and then black will be my neutral color. And she also has this chart that you can print out that you can keep track of all the colors you have, which makes it easy when you're trying to pick colors. So like I said, I'm going to be working in the small 6x6 white Dina Wakley Media Journal. And I'm probably going to get into some Collage collective papers, maybe some collage tissue, some stenciling. But we'll just have a play and see where it goes. I'm going to throw on some music, and here we go. So there you have it, just a quick page in the journal today. I started out with the three the three colors of tangerine, lime, and blackberry. And then I got out my Dina Wakley Collage Collective to add some other colors and some texture to the piece. And then my Stabilo pencil to finish it off. And then we have a quick 6x6 journal page. So if you liked the video, guys, remember to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you again next month in the journal. Bye, guys.